pose with them. It's a church which is a fish market. It's not a market, it's a restaurant which serves fresh fish, but it's actually a church. We are taking pictures in Gothenburg. This is a very pretty place in the city. It's very nice. We see a lot of good buildings, but because we're after 5, everything is pretty much shut. It's a bit cold, but the hotel attendant said that tomorrow it will be sunny, so we're vouching on it to be sunny. But this is very nice, and it feels like a nice breather between Copenhagen and then let's see how Stockholm is. It's really nice actually. We've just come to like a church to start the day, and then we'll see other things, but there's a bird. Our train got delayed and we're still here. We are playing new updated rules of exploding kittens. We have finally reached Stockholm.
Finally.
Yeah.
After 1.5 hour delay.
1.5 hour delay. Yeah, we're too delayed. Our halat looks a little bit.
But it's Aditi's birthday.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. So we're going to make the most of the time that we have. We have another 6 hours. We have another 6 hours of daylight, and we have
I think more than 6 hours.
around an hour of time to get to some cafe. Otherwise, everything will shut by 5, I think.
360 crowd. Yeah. So roughly around 72 hour pass per person.
You can see us waving. We are in a funicular.
Funicular lift in a metro stop.
नीचे से यहाँ से देख.
This is just a normal metro stop. We have ordered our bubble tea, and there's a matcha one, and then there's a normal one. We're pumped. I'm pumped. Rishika, are you pumped?
I'm super pumped. I'm having a brown sugar ice bubble tea after a long time.
It's going to be very nice, and the summer is summering outside, so
it's too hot.
yeah, it's very hot.
But I will have to mix it in order to.
It's good. It's not cold, but it's good. What are you wearing today, Rishya?
A dress.
The brand.
I don't remember. I think it's Sting.
It's Sting.
Sting.
What are you
H&M,
wearing?
H&M.
Where is Sweden?
H&M.
What are you wearing, Arjun?
West side. Tata West side. With Nikes.
I also have to do that.
With it.
Sure.
So, do you want to share mics?
What is this camera?
Oh, you've not seen my camera yet. Yeah, it's very travel friendly, and we've been vlogging Denmark and also now Gothenburg, and now we have all of our footage from Stockholm. Yeah,
It's such good quality also, but it's so small.
yeah.
Yes.
Yummy.
Oh wow. Yeah, flavor of
I
what?
did not expect that. It's like perfumey.
Perfume? Maybe Rishika, you want to eat it. You like perfume.
Not the next one, but the one after that. No, the sun's down.
Oh, we have a view. We have a view. We have a view. Oh my god.
Må jeg ærse? Yeah. The blanket.
I think it is correct around the
Oh wow. Wow, what a view. Oh, and also less music. Okay, now I can finally hear you guys. Okay, wow, that's a good view.
They have karaoke there.
You're sitting with your leg on there.
Yeah, he's in the guru position.
The Dutch lamp.
You guys were sitting like this, completely quiet, like as if it was like, wow.
This is how we speak.
Yeah.
We are very late, but we are at our station now. The birthday is over. I had a really good one in Stockholm. Guys, that looks like a Dutch house.
The light-colored buildings were left to the right is Castle with its old ground design. The island is inhabited by monks who established a brickyard nearby. Over time, many more industries
It's been a 2-hour tour.
come shoulder.
How many hours to
One
go?
of the most famous
40 minutes.
factory.
We've just not slept enough. That's the
One
problem.
of Europe's oldest China ware
We could have slept more. Rishika.
Although production
At least
is
1
now
hour.
largely moved abroad,
1 hour would have been
China
nice.
is still found in many Swedish homes.
So that's the parliament, this one.
Our parliament is like 10 times the size of this level. Feels like you've entered royalty.
It's very colorful.
Rishika, you're gonna review the chocolate ball along with me? Oh shit. Did I put it on my thing?
No, not yet.
Okay, Rishika, you and me try different desserts at the same time.
मुझे क्या रखा हुआ है the coffee
Oh, the coffee is there in it also. Oh, okay, nice.
good.
And that one? Lekker of neat?
It's good, it's a bit doughy.
I was going to say it looks a bit doughy.
But if you take a bite like with the
center.
yeah, then it's very good. Wait,
Let me have it.
I got you.
Right.
Can you tell it's vegan and gluten free?
No.
Give it to Revan.
No.
Give no.
Talking about this one.
Doughy but tasty.
Yeah. I think you have to have it with the center
Yeah.
custard.
That's quality.
How's the chocolate? Rishika, now it's Rishika's turn.
Very good.
Now we're gonna swap Rishika.
This one is banging.
Yeah.
The coffee is solid.
Oh.
ऋषिका मेरी सब्जी भाजी वाला है.
Yeah?
Very nice.
Yeah.
It's gone now.
It's gone.
Thank you. Did you want something?
Oh, you like it? Here's the cold one first.
What is this? They have a different kind of stirring spoon. See this?
Oh wow.
Maybe for the sediments to mix in.
It's good matcha.
Why are you giving an explanation? What are we doing?
Nothing.
I would just think that maybe a little.
Oh, this benches.
Oh wow. So nice.
Oh shit, I missed it. He wants to drink lassi.
It's a very what for this
It's a can.
protein milk.
Like the glass here?
Yeah.
Okay, these souvenirs have nothing to do with Sweden or Stockholm. Oh wow.
It's so beautiful.
So finding souvenirs is always too difficult, and we have seen so many shops and we're trying to find the perfect magnet to take back home. Also, that summarizes Gothenburg and Stockholm both. That's going to be difficult because we forgot to buy magnets or anything in Gothenburg. So yeah, great. Also, my hair is fully like it's like knotted on some other level. इतनी हवा चल रही है यहाँ पे, इतनी हवा चल रही है, इतनी ठंड है. I have a summer dress below my winter jacket. Aloo gadlu తీసుకున్నావా? Come on.
ఆలుగడ్డలు
తీసుకోలే. You took it.
తీసుకోలే.
You did not take it.
No.
Aloo gadlu తీసుకున్నావా Rishika?
తీసుకోలే.
This discussion has been going on for a very long time.
Yeah.
It has a nice flag also.
Okay, they're liking it more.
This one, if you had removed Stockholm, I would maybe even say it's a different city.
Yeah. I like how we thought we'll take Gothenburg chill,
Yeah.
but we're taking Stockholm chill.
Also because we have more days here, so we don't have to panic see it.
Yeah, this is why.
It doesn't look fancy for me.
343 something. We are in IKEA, an IKEA museum. We are very excited and thrilled to be in IKEA. A democratic design. The broccoli thing. This is like a coaster. How is this IKEA? This feels so new and random.
Oh yeah, we are supposed to. No, we didn't. Oh, it's okay. Keep it.
Yeah, you can try to hold it. It's heavy.
Super heavy. Oh yeah, but it's okay.
Oh, there's spicy bone also. Nice.
French beans.
Oh, somehow I thought that you were in the water glass.
No, I can move everything. Oh, look at this. I like that. It's a nice level of zoom.
Yeah, and it's really smooth also.
Another day.
This is where we come, and we are about a 4-minute walk. So there's so much of inclination over here. Standing in Netherlands will be on easy mode then. There's a little bench over there.
है ना, पिकनिक का आइडिया अच्छा होता है. We could have gotten a bench. I thought we could have gotten popcorn or chips or something.
Very different coffee bean. Not the usual. I can't tell it's like a light roast, medium roast, whatever, but I think it's a dark roast. strong, ultra strong coffee bean.
It is a dark roast.
It's a dark
Yeah.
roast.
You
Yeah, but
get
it's nice.
after. It's very good.
Because the
It's
milk
good
is
for
smooth.
coffee lovers.
Yeah.
Glowing only when you're eating it.
This is like echt matcha.
Lekker of niet?
Good, yeah. I'm missing the sweetener because I'm
Even
used
the
to that.
even the coffee is echt coffee.
Yeah, right. Maybe because this is such organic food that it's real stuff.
I like it.
Vegetarian or vegan? What about that?
Vegetarian. I'm coming in.
In the beginning, I thought it would be terrible, but actually they go really well together. Take a bite from Revant, then decide which one to order.
Yeah. The potato is good.
You are all on this potato journey in this trip, banging out hash browns and mashed potatoes. Pick a cookie, you want vanilla ice cream, homemade salt caramel, choose a topping.
Look, it's a vibe inside. Let's see. Oh, look at the same poster. Hi. Hello. Am I visible? Sorry, should I? You want to go first?
I think in Gothenburg we were the only non-Swedish people in the hotel.
Yeah, and we were like, you're gonna have lunch, then dessert, then fika. Fika is always including
Dessert. Coffee and dessert.
Yeah, dessert, that's it. Or there you go.
Yeah?
I feel like there's some custard on it.
Yeah, it's custard.
Yeah, it's custard. It's custard, jelly.
Very good.
Right?
Rishika, is it better than the Tom Poos? Your reaction was a bit different.
I think it's much better than the Poos. The Poos is also very,
Sweet.
you know, you eat it in a different way, like it's clumsy from it, I guess.
It's a little bit the dough.
Oh, it's good actually.
It's
Very
also
good.
not fluffy.
And that's not the case with another. No.
So, Stockholm metro stops have like art on them, and every stop is different. And we're doing some metro stop hopping, and this one is fully red and green.
It's like Greece.
So we're going to how come out actually. So now it's more the flooring.
Yeah.
That area. This is all Randstad.
So, okay, and every country has a Randstad? Every city?
No, it's more like cities combined. They basically role play all night as Vikings, and they announce, so they're like, where are you from? And they start telling a story like, my dear guests, we have a group of people coming from the land of the tulips and the bicycles. Ladies and gentlemen, you have the Netherlands, and then everyone starts cheering and honking. Yeah, so
It's like so different.
So big.
drink actually.
So it's a really cool place.
It's called a Midder, right? Midder. Mid.
Made in
Is it the, oh, okay, okay.
but mead
Mead.
in Dutch and mjöd
Weird.
Swedish.
Weird.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at us. We're in a Viking place, not looking like Vikings. Rishika's enjoying a non-alcoholic Viking drink.
It tastes like apple fizz and it's great.
Yeah, yeah, apple fizz. Yeah, it's called Made.
It's called made.
M-E-D-E in Dutch and Mead in Swedish. I was like, I just took the camera out to show the direction. Last day of the trip and our tired faces. And I was like, this bus ride is forever. Maybe I should just sleep in the bus.
Yeah, I know. It's a long ride and
Super crowded. I couldn't see any of you.
No.
Could you see them?
No.
At least we got a seat. Like as soon as we अपने stop के बाद वाले stop पे ही लोग आ गए थे इतने सारे.
Yeah. Ostra station. Ostra.
What? Ostra? What station?
The stop after us was East Station. Ostra Station.
Ostra.